Welcome to Donna Cooking, and if you've been wanting to eat a little healthier, be a little more organized, start on some simple meal prep, and help your cholesterol, then this is the video for you. So come along with me in this week's video and let's get started. Dr. Michael Greger developed an app called the Daily Dozen. It's a checklist of healthy foods that you can add to your diet every day. I love it so much when I can have a few things prepared in the refrigerator that I can use throughout the week. And in this video, I'll show you a few simple recipes and just a few things that I do to help make things easier. So this is what I did this week. Now I really like these little meal prep containers that I got at Walmart recently. They're like 6x4. They have a nice lid and you can see into them really great in the refrigerator. So in this one I have carrots and celery, and I usually always have some hummus on hand. So whenever you got that little snack craving, you can just reach in, grab it, and have a snack. Now, beforehand, I like to make sure all the vegetables are extremely dry. So I'll get it, I'll dry it between paper towels, and then I will lay it in my dishes. This is butter lettuce, and every week it may change as to what the store has. But my newest way that I love salads is to put everything in here, but then right before I eat it, I will chop it up super fine. And I don't know, but it sure makes a difference in how the salad tastes when you do that. Now I have spinach. So I'm just gonna lay all this down in here. This way you're getting a nice serving of greens. I find that putting my greens in napkins really does the trick instead of paper towels. Another advice is to buy the carrots that are already shredded. You can shred them yourself, but then you really got to dry them. If you want to be keeping them and having everything stay really nice for you during the week, I suggest getting the already grated carrot. And this week I have purple cabbage and regular green cabbage all mixed together. These all can get used for other things also. And broccoli. Now this recipe that I like to make on the weekend, it's a baked oatmeal. So it's got all kinds of berries in it. It's made with almond milk and mashed banana. So everything in it is really good and high fiber, and it will definitely help you with lowering your cholesterol. Definitely one of the most versatile things that I make to meal prep for the week ahead are my roasted vegetables, and you can just use whatever you have in your refrigerator. And as you can see, I have a wide assortment plus some sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. You can use all of these in so many ways, like soups and sandwiches, stir fries, like so much. And then I also have some broccoli, but since they're kind of tiny, I'm gonna put those in towards the end. Now, while the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to be making my seasoned black beans that are in my 7-day meal plan. And it's such a versatile recipe because you can use it in so many ways. I hope this video inspired you just a little bit to get things a little bit prepared on the weekend that'll help you out throughout the week. If you want some of the recipes, hit that more underneath the video and the description box will pop down and you can get some of the recipes. I'll put the free link to the PDF for my 7-day meal plan there. And until next time, happy cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially comment, and I'll see you in the next video.